सदैव खुश रहो। आई जेबीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम बीएससी बीएड पीसीएम 5th सेम एंड कोर्स इज मल्टीवेरिएट कैलकुलस एंड वेक्टर डिफरेंशिएशन एंड सेशन ऑफ टुडे इज प्रॉब्लम ऑन ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन. Problem is in front of you here. Limit of triple integration will be x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 1 minus x, z is equal to 0 to 1 minus x minus y. Or boundary is from x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and upper boundary x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So this if we draw this figure in the three-dimensional space, it becomes the tetrahedron. So we have to find the volume of the tetrahedron, or limit is given here. So integration is 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, 0 to 1 minus x minus y, dz dy dx upon x plus y plus z plus 1 whole cube. First of all, it is integrated with respect to z. So dz upon x plus y plus z plus 1 to the power 3. Now integrating this, so x plus y plus z plus 1, whenever it is in the numerator, then the power will be minus 3, and in the integration of x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So applying this formula, the integration become minus 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z plus 1 square, or lower and upper limit is equal to 1 minus x minus y. So we put the limit 1 minus x minus y at the place of z, and 0 again at the place of z. So when it is put in the place of z, then x and y is cancel out, only 2 is remaining here. So 2 square become 4 into 2 1 by 8, and when we put the value lower limit 0 at the place of z, it become x plus y plus 1 whole square, and dx dy. Again it is integrating with respect to y. If we integrate it with respect to y, then the 1 upon 8 become y upon 8 minus y upon 8, and the same procedure apply x plus y plus 1 in the denominator. It has 2 power. Whenever it goes to the numerator, minus 2 power plus 1, it remains only minus 1 power, and then it is transfer into the numerator, then it become the power x plus y plus 1 to the power 1. Lower limit 0 and upper limit 1 minus x. So putting the lower and upper limit in this expression, after putting the value of y is 1 minus x, it gives 1 minus x upon 8 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 x plus 1 and dx. Again it is integrating with respect to x. It gives minus 3 upon 8 plus x upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 x plus 1 dx. Limit 0 to 1. So lower limit and upper limit, after integrating, putting the lower and upper limit, it gives the value minus 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 2 log 2. So 1 upon 2 log 2 minus numerical value minus 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16 added, or it gives the minus 5 upon 8. So final answer will be 1 upon 2 log 2 minus 5 upon 8. So this is the solution of triple integral. So here limit is given of every variable. First of all, it is integrated with respect to z. Then after integration, putting the upper limit minus putting the lower limit, then solve. After solving, you get some expression. This expression will be integrated with respect to the y. So after integrating y and putting the value of upper limit and lower limit, you get some expression, and then at the last that expression will be integrated with respect to x, and this will be the final answer of this equation. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.